can see when me I cook soup. I see the food them in I eat.
Without going to court, paying big legal fees, or
we have the draw. The rest of the vlog. Almost every
wife, this woman, Marae. But then at some point he
I'm an addict and I need some cuties, patooties, I am back. I took like 2 days to edit, upload, and did a bunch of stuff. So now I'm back with the cleaning because this needs to get done. I'm over this now. Like, this is too much. So I'm gonna drink this 5-hour energy because your girl is low on it. Very low. I know I need to see a doctor, but this has to be finished before anything else get done. I swear. I can't even function. I can't function. I don't even know if I drive my car right now. So I have to finish this before. I know I'm not living on it. I don't know if it's good for you or not. I am just drinking it because I need some energy to get through the night. It's now 5:31. Just gonna get into the work now, you know? Yeah, so bottoms up. Okay. Boom, boy, enough. Done. Alright, let's get to work.
Y'all, this unit took me no more than 8 to 15 minutes to install from beginning to end. Finger calls going on at the bottom.
I wish the cover were black. And these are just not it. I mean, they're not bad. $6.99. These are nice. Classy. I think I'm gonna get a couple of these. Yeah. This is so cute. Only $9.99. Pretty. Definitely go with the theme. This is also pretty, but $20. $20, I'm gonna have it. But that's really pretty though. So I think I'm gonna get the cheaper one right now. I mean, it's just $10 more. I mean, $10 is a lot. And I'm gonna get this soap dispenser. It's not a soap dispenser, but that's what I'm gonna use it for. And this is for $7.99. I don't have a mic on me. I don't know what's going on with me and the mic these days, guys. If I was one of them girly who throw up my juice, I am not one of those girls. I don't have the time. So the black container them over this, I'm not gonna take it because I'm too small. More and big one like this, I just want to cover for black. Like this would be so nice, rice and flour and all that something, but no black ones. The black one them too small, man. Too small. Anyway, let's keep walking. If I was a coffee drinker, these are nice. This is so pretty. I would buy this for milk. Even though I don't want them girly, but this is so pretty for the milk, you know? But no, it's a waste of money to me. Love this. Love this. I want to know where is the clearance department. Where clearance day? Clearance. Alright, cuties, I'm going to find the clearance section because I don't know making it so dear. Who? Let me love. Love it. I need me one of these. Why? Why has me touch it stuff a pull? Yeah, type back here. Can't matter. This nice. Easy for dirty. $12. I really want one of them alone. Maybe it best not order it from Shein or Amazon. I wanted someone to make one for me and then add too cute on it. I'm gonna come buy a straight I need some of these. Like buy a straight white one or a straight color one and get too cute on it. You know what I mean? But guys, it look like the clearance section not doing no more. Or I guess you just have to like find the things in with the red tag, cause yeah, you see, like there's a lot of them with red tags on it. These are nice. These will fit my little thing perfect. How much for them? $12 for this alone. This all fit toothbrush and toothpaste 7. Wow. This is so stinking cute, bro. All my pink girlies. I ain't one of them. I would more go for the blue. I think I love these. How much are they now? $7.99. See, clearance section here with me I look for. Clearance is right. But everything in the clearance is red. Why? Why this in a clearance? Look at one broke $8. It was $14 before. One of them must broke. Why it in a clearance? Okay. Let's find out.
Daddy, don't take away.
$5 for these two.
Daddy, don't touch that.
$2. Oh, okay. $10. This is nice. These are shot cups. Shot cups for $7.
Look at that.
Oh my lord. So pretty. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Cuties, y'all know long I want one of these. Like, you can see when me I cook soup. I see the food them in it. Looks so good. It's for $20. I might just get myself one. What's up, cuties? Hey guys. So cuties, I'm back. I wanted to show you guys the things I got from what do you call it? HomeGoods yesterday. Cause it's a whole day later. I pick up all of them from the clearance section. Oh, I got my mic today. I hope the sound is better. I got 3 of these. One another size here. One another size here. And I think I got a little bigger one. Get 3 different sizes. For put like rice, flour, sugar. Which we don't really use sugar like that, so. Ooh, I got these. These are so freaking pretty. These are so nice. And you know me, I do the bathroom in a black and white. So I got this. These I got from the clearance section as well. Ooh, and I got these. So pretty, right? But finally get one elephant with a trunk up. My mom is obsessed with elephant, guys. Obsessed. And I thought this was cute. So I'm like, this will go good with the bathroom decoration. So I got that as well. And this I find in the clearance section for like $4 something. Then I also got the pot that I wanted. This was not clearance. This is a dream of mine, okay? This was on my bucket list. A see-through pot to boil soup in it. I can only imagine me a boil soup and can see all of the food, the chicken foot and the dumpling and the pumpkin and the... Oh, this is going to be so good. This was for $20. But this was a good buy. I always wanted this and I got it. Y'all gonna see this. It's gonna look so pretty. This one never did at the clearance section. The cover, this thing I clearance, this thing I clearance, but this wasn't. I find it's not a original island. It's for $14.99. I don't know. Me I try to figure out why them one here did not clearance. If they never break or me not see nothing chip off right now or nothing. But this is the settings. Pretty. So cute. Love it. You know no girl obsessed with cup. I don't know how I go in the clearance section with them copy, but I see them and I'm like, I think they're because they're dirty. I feel like I threw them dirty because why them in the clearance section? Oh, and I got these from Marshall. And I got these for $8.50. And this one is for $9. This one I love. Got these cute little bows on it. The color and the... I don't know if you not see it properly because sometimes the light, yeah. But it got... right. What would they call this? It's like... oh my God. Get into it. Yeah, there you go. See it? Yeah, it got that all over it. And then it got this cute cover. So pretty. So nice. But yeah. I don't know me obsessed with Stanley, so I'm going to get the two of them. Well, those are not Stanleys, but they're Stanleys. Them here from out the clearance section. I'm not really sure what of them. I'm not see nothing to them, guys. I don't know if them have them too long or what. But I love this. Salt and pepper shaker. So cute. So cute. I got this for like $4 or something. Or $3.59. This candle. This candle smells so much like a perfume. I know. I remember the name. I can't remember the name of it, but it smells so good. And I'm gonna put it in my bedroom. This was on clearance. This 4-piece cup set. If I'm gonna see what kind of cup. Then they come with straw and everything. And come on, yeah. The straw them in another box here. This was $8 for the whole 4 of them. Check out the clearance section, guys. Oh, it's got some good stuff. And nothing to really do them. We used to work at HomeGoods and in the distribution center. We have to pack the stuff them. So I think when the things them come, like if it have 5 in it and it have like 3 or 4, them tell you put it a different place. You can't pack it with the original stuff them. So I think that's what they have on clearance. Nothing to do them. Or if it even come barely open or something, you can't put it with the original things them. So I think of them that them really put in the clearance section. Because none of the things them. This is, well, for me it's a soap dispenser. I don't know what it originally should be, but yeah, it is actually a soap dispenser. I didn't even see that. But there's no some want it to be a soap dispenser. The one I have right now kind of rust around the rim. And this kind of fit the thing that I bought to put Scotch Brite and things in there. So yeah, I got this. This was not on clearance either. This was for $4.99. Cute. I also got this bin because the bin I have before of this thing right here, so I'm showing you. But we got a bin here, Burlington. I find a bin here Burlington for 24 something. And it's huge. The rest of them, very expensive. I don't know how come this at $24. We get some good stuff from the dollar store, but I like and towel, dish towel for like $1. And then like cups and stuff like that. Some of them here, what do they call this again? It's called moth ball, but in Jamaica we call it moth ball. But in Jamaica we call it camphor ball in Jamaica. So when we do, I break it up, mash it up, and then spray it inside of the couch. Like take up all of the seat them and everything, and sprinkle it down in the corner of the couch. Them it keep away rats and anything from going on your couch. Trust me, I did it, and it really worked. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do with that. Yeah, that's that. This is the bin that I currently have. It has this cover on it right here, so just so the pitney them they know how to push things in the bin. Them push things in here, so. So when I look in here, so, I wash the bin today. Tomorrow I look in here, so it's full of food and it's full of all of them something there. So is it that I'm gonna throw away the bin here, or I'm gonna just take out the cover and dash it away? Because I don't understand where you take out here for just open the bin and put things in there. You know, and them now wash bin, you know, them now wash bin. But I don't like how them keep in here, so. I'm gonna look a part here. So I'm done with this bin. That's why I got that one. Yeah, So that is it. So let's get back to the cleaning. The lamp. I forget the lamp. This lamp was also on clearance. Can y'all see it? It is so pretty. I love this part of it. This is gonna be for the living room. I should have gotten two, but we can't manage two right now. And this was for $39. I don't know how much it originally. Look at the price cover up. Originally it was for $79.99. $79.99. I'm getting it for $39 exactly. And yeah, I love it. It's so cute, so simple, and it matched the living room aesthetic because you know I wear silver and white in the living room, and like this clear glass thing. Smoking Sensi, sipping on some Hennessy. I must say, Nanny. Cuties, I'm going to try and use this to clean off the door and the window them, and at the bottom and the door. Without painting, but we can't bother. So I use some bleach water and some Dawn dish soap and try to get it off. And see if it works. And it does. It works. No, sir. My Anna hurt me. But it's working. Looks like we buy a brand new door. I can't breathe. Alright, cuties. Now that we know it work, I'm gonna do it to the rest of the house and I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some fresh water and wipe off the bleach so that the place don't stink of bleach, you know? Yeah. Alright. Cuties, newbies, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Sunday. It's the 1st of February. Yes, my love. It's Valentine's month. It's the month for lovers. But today is the last day of the cleaning. I am very excited. I'm happy about that. Today, I'm going to just dress up. For the past couple of weeks, we've been cleaning, scouring and all them stuff. They take down, dash with all of that. Today, we're going to dress up the place now. And then I'm done. I'm done. And now I can get for start make some vlog food now. Okay? Alright, so first I'm going to do the bedroom. Then I'm going to move to the kitchen. Now the bathroom, then the kitchen, dining room, on and on and on until we finish. Alright, so next time when you see me, this is supposed to be done, complete. Alright, stay tuned. Like the vlog, guys. Like the... Oh, I finally got approved for Amazon, the Amazon affiliate program. So basically, everything that you guys see me use here today will be in my Amazon storefront. Okay, so the link for everything will be down below, in the description box. Just open it, check it out. Anything you see, wanna like, wanna just, you know, support your girl. It not mean say it more expensive or it more cheap. It's just that Amazon give me a little thing if you wanna use my link, because basically me recommend the product too, no, you know. So yeah, use the link. All right. If you don't see anything you wanna like. The only thing we put inside there is stuff that makes sense and stuff that actually work. I send back anything whenever makes sense. All right? Okay. My Amazon link will be down in the description box. Check it out and yeah, support your girl. All right? Let's get clean.
That's good, y'all. Raise it. In a bush.
I will open, fill me up. I provide the sacrifice. You provide the spirit. I want to go. So I'm gonna put a praise on it. But life goes on. So cuties, these shower curtain, you don't need any rod with them. You could just use them like that. And they also has lining on the inside, so you don't need to put up a plastic or anything. Very thick lining. And also you could just pop it off whenever you want to wash it. Instead of taking on the whole entire curtain, you can just pop it off, throw this in the washing machine, or hook it up back. Real simple, you know. Yeah. Oh, for the good time.
Small at the time. If you've been in any kind of vehicle, your boyfriend Marcus told me about something.
Then I want to roll away again. I left my home.
Hey! Action! Nothing blew up.
Hey, did you know you might get a big cash payout if you were in a car accident? Thousands of people have received a 5-figure or even a 6-figure check without going to court, paying big legal fees, or dealing with insurance companies when you're old, and can be shocked to see how much more can be than you expected. It's your conversation. After that, you just tell them about your case.
One more time.
You know there's no valet. Then who's getting...
Look how cute you look in the photos.
You and me, we get along. I got what you want, you got what I want. Know that I like what you like.
Cause like my man.
She was diagnosed with a brain tumor. We are never promised tomorrow.
Help St. Jude find more cures for more children.
This man either says the wildest shit I've ever heard or something genius.
So cuties, I'm still waiting on the black cushion to come in. So for now, I'm just gonna leave them like that.
It's dedicated to you. So, how does it feel? You think I'm sexy? But you don't want the sky. You don't want the sky. Baby, you're the perfect way. Treat me like my birthday. I wanna be oh, baby.
What if I told you this is...
It's a better fit for you and could deliver. It's been a long, be a decorator. Most of my adult life, I've loved interior design and I've been very artistic. As I should say, it's not good. So I should start your own business. First was how do I generate leads? And the training is what allowed me to get off to a very fast start.
And I know you might think like, oh, that sounds kind of fun, but this is about to be a disaster for him. Also moves his mistress into his bigger house to accommodate for his comically large family.
Cuties, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna leave the rest for tomorrow. I am so tired. I can't even focus doing my tired right now. But most side finish. The curtain over this, so I don't really like it. That. So I wait for my next one for coming. And yeah, I just really got this to do and that. Fix over this, so just the two table them. Alright, it's like after 1. Let me see. Yeah, it's 1:39. And I don't sit down from morning. So I am gonna take a shower and I'm going to lay down. And tomorrow when I come back from work, I show you the finished product. I don't even know why I'm even spread the damn bed today. Never know you want none. You still look cover dish them? Buy them little for Amazon. Alright, cuties, here we have the living area. We got a lot of white going on, a little bit of blue. There's actually supposed to be a dusty blue throw right here, but it's not here yet. So we're just gonna do it until it gets here. Over here we have the TV stand. I got it from Wayfair years ago when we just moved in here. I just got the TV and games at the bottom and family pictures at the top. Down here we have a basket with some throws just in case, you know, we have extra guests. Yeah. Over here we have another throw, which I did not know I was gonna blend this much with the couch. I wasn't expecting that, but it works. I have 2 of them, one on this end and I have one on the other end over here. If y'all can even see it, it blends so well. Coffee table is also from Wayfair. It's actually a 3-piece set. You'll see that in the rest of the vlog. Almost everything on here, well, everything on here is from HomeGoods. This is the second piece from Wayfair. Everything on here is also from HomeGoods, and I think I got the flowers vase from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I love these cute little candle holders. They're so cute. All my cushion and cushion covers are from, everything else is from Amazon. So don't forget to shop my Amazon, okay? And over here we have my closet lock. I am so excited for this. Got my little glass area set up here. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so cute, isn't it? We got the luggage them over there, so down here we got these, what do you call them? I'm gonna call them basket. I got them from Amazon, and then we just put bra in one, next one have swimsuit and stuff like that. Shoe stand, Amazon, love them, highly recommended. We have another one here. Also, the bag organizer up there, I got it from Amazon as well. Love that too. Make everything look so clean and organized. Highly recommend that, and they're not expensive. We have some strap bags over here on the door, which is not really cute, but it's whatever. My vanity set is also from Amazon. Love it. This chair fit up to 270 pounds, guys. Very sturdy. So for all my big girls, yeah, get you one of this. We have the drawer organizer, also from Amazon. And it came with a lot. I didn't know it was so much. It actually was enough to fill the entire thing. So yeah, it also lights up, but it's not plugged in right now, so that. And yeah, that's my little closet tour for you guys. Over here I set up this little table. This is also another piece that came from Wayfair, the 3-piece set. I just set it up as a little work area. I got this little wall mount from Amazon just to get things organized, because I like to things thrown up on the table. So yeah, it works. It fit everything, and it make everything look clean and organized, right? The chair is also from Amazon. For my big girlies who are looking for something comfortable, this is it. Very comfortable. Fit up to 270 pounds, maybe more, I don't know, but that's what it says. And I'm 250 and I fit in it very comfortable. It also got this pull-out piece. You can put up your legs and read a book. It also reclines, so there's that. Cute, right? And it's white, which I was worried about because I didn't want half white or cream. It is white. Love that. And yeah, I just put a little rug down there. Here is my little area. Hey, here we have the dining area. A lot of white and gold going on. Cuties, I don't know if I'm keeping this. I love the stand, love the vase, don't like the flowers, so I'm gonna fix that. This is my little entrance area. Love it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I sprayed the stove. love it. Looks so brand new. It look brand new. Got the backsplash going on. It gives the kitchen such an upgrade look and an upgrade feel. Yes, which is exactly what I was going for. I needed to feel like I'm in a new home, and I do. So that's how it feels. High curtains is definitely the way to go. It made the place look so elegant, so nice. Bar from Wayfair. Everything else on it is from Amazon. This is also from Wayfair. Love it. And now we are going into the bathroom. I just want y'all to look how the high curtain gave the bathroom a bigger feel. Like, it's giving bathroom is big and it's actually not. Again, everything in here is from Amazon. Well, not everything, but most of it. From Amazon. This frame right here, I got it from Burlington. Everything over here is from Amazon. And the stool right there is from Amazon. Now we have the bedroom. Let's talk about it, guys. Let's talk about it, because I am in love. We got the black and white bedroom going on. Again, high curtains. I got my little tree, my book, candle. You know, cute. Got my little special area over here. Y'all know I'm obsessed with some perfume. Got me and my queen right there. Love it. That mirror is also from Amazon. The wall frames are from Burlington. Let me give y'all another angle. So the wall art over there is from Burlington. I was here catching up on some of my cuties that are YouTubers. Big up to you, Tanya. Love y'all. Thank y'all for the support. I try to catch up with you guys as much as I can. Again, big up to my girl from Bob's. Thank you, Cutie, for these cushions. I love them. The chair, I got it from Bob's. Anytime I want something from Bob's, just go. Anytime I want a little piece of furniture when I have enough money, go to Bob's in the pit. They always have some nice stuff. I got this big chair right here for like $180, I think, or less. And then I got a cushion free because I got a cutie working in there. We got the black rug going on. Yeah. We got the mirror over here. Painted this mirror. Well, not painted. I put a sticker thing on it. But I'm not sure if I like it. I'm not sure if I'm in love with it, so I probably change it. I'm not sure. What y'all think? Let me know. But yeah, that is the room. in a nutshell. Love it. So yeah, cutie, that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I did. I mean, it was a lot of work, but also a lot of fun because I love doing stuff like this. I love it. I mean, it costs money to do it, so you can't do it as often, but when you can, it sure does feel good. And it's also even better because I can make a little money from it now that I have my Amazon storefront. So whatever I buy, I can show you guys, and if you guys are interested in it, just check it out. I got the link down below in the description box. Like I said before, it doesn't cost you any more or any less to buy it from my link. It's just that Amazon paid me a little something for recommending it to you guys. So I highly appreciate it if you guys shop my link. But if you don't want to and you like anything you see here, still you can go on Amazon and get it. But if you shop my link, your girl make a little money, okay? A little bit of money. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like the video. Please like the video, share it to a friend who wants a little inspiration on what to do, you know. And if I'm any type of influence to you guys, if I have any type of influence, I highly recommend the products that I got. They are very inexpensive and they are good quality, very good stuff. So yeah, thank you guys. Love you guys. Peace. Take care. I will see you guys in the next vlog. All right. Bye.